Excuse me, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome aboard to the Morning Note. My name is Carlos Garcia, founder and CEO of G.A.R Capital. It is a new month. It is Friday, July 1st, 2022. Welcome to the second half of 2022. Let's make it better than the first half of 2022. Been a wild one. So let's go ahead and go over it right now. Bottom right-hand corner of your screen, white logo. Click on that. Turn on notifications. Subscribe to our channel. Make sure to like our videos. Appreciate it as always. Here to help. Just a reminder, this weekend is a long weekend. No market on Monday. It is the July 4th Independence Day holiday in the United States. So the stock market is closed, but futures will be open. Again, I will be watching, of course, futures as we go, crypto. Keep it locked on Twitter as I put all the information up. I also am going to put a couple of videos up for our investment club. So if you're part of that, be on the lookout for that on Monday. I will get that out to you. Thanks again for always being there and supporting. Appreciate it as always. Tough one, but we will move forward as always. We have to keep going forward. Let's go ahead and take a look at the market this morning. I was watching futures pretty much since 4 a.m. this morning. Dow down 67. We're off the lows. NASDAQ down 0.18%. S&P pretty much flat-ish, down about 4 handles. Russell down 11. We had some news with General Motors. They reaffirmed their guidance, which is a really good sign. Let me get you that number. GM reaffirms full-year adjusted EPS guidance of 7 to 9 billion. Reaffirms adjusted automotive free cash flow guidance range of 7 to 9 billion. That's according to Reuters. Now, keep in mind, guys, this is not some kind of consumer staple. This is General Motors. This is, this is a consumer discretionary. This is automobiles. Usually the first ones to take a rip or a hit, right? Usually a company, the first ones to take a hit during a recession, and they just reaffirm their guidance. So a sliver of good news in the land of bad news. Some other news that I got today, Eurozone inflation, we know that's high, but the core rate slipped unexpectedly in June. Consumer prices are forecast to remain high, and interest rate hikes are coming. I went ahead and retweeted that on Twitter. GM stock, I'm watching it. It is halted at the moment. I don't own shares in GM, but again, I want to see the stock respond to that reaffirming of guidance. So we should get some more information in regards to the automakers as they report today. I believe today we'll get some 13Fs from the hedge funds, see what they've been buying, what they haven't been buying, and again, what their open positions are, because that's going to be important. Let's see what the money managers are doing instead of what they're saying. Crude oil is up 2.5%. Gasoline bounced back as well, 2.5%, $3.62 a gallon. The dollar index is up, putting pressure on stocks. We've been saying that. 105.78 is resistance on the wick. Right now, about 40 cents away from that on the dollar. We need the dollar to fall if we want equities to go higher. Gold, again, risk off, down 0.74%, 17.94 an ounce. 19.59 an ounce for silver futures, down 3.72%. Euro dollar for my Forex people down 72 pips, 104.10. And then we have dollar yen down 46 pips, 135.31. Bitcoin is bouncing. Got as high as around 20,300 yesterday evening. I was tweeting that as well. Nice little pop in Bitcoin. Fell again. Ethereum still hovering above 1,000, up 3.25%. I saw a interesting article from Fundstrat. Here you go. Fundstrat says where you should buy Bitcoin. This is according to Fundstrat, Mark Newton, head of technical strategy. He states that given that some traders might be inclined to buy dips such as a move, I feel technically 12,500 to 13,000 would be my preferred area to buy dips in the event that 17,592 is taken out. I expect any move down to this level should prove brief and short-lived, but an excellent buying opportunity into mid-May. All in all, Newton sees Bitcoin bottoming out in July and heading higher into November. Quote, lows should be right around the corner according to this cycle composite, and one should be on the alert on the month of July, looking to buy weakness for a healthy rebound, just as sentiment seems to be reaching a bearish tipping point. That's from Fundstrat. If you guys remember, we talked about that log channel where I bought Bitcoin right around 18.3. You can take a look at that on Instagram. We haven't broken below that, but again, that is critical support on Bitcoin. VIX down 0.66, 28.52, excuse me. And then 10-year yields continue to fall. We're now below 2.9 now. We're at 2.8, 2.873 bonds are being bid. So that's a good sign. I mean, well, it depends. I mean, we don't want higher rates, obviously. But again, that's showing us that the short-term inflation scare, short-term at least, is subsiding. The problem is that when bonds are bid in a normal cycle, that's usually recessionary because it's safe. It's considered risk off. So I do own some TLT. I do like TLT, again, government bonds. Again, I expect inflation to come down as we get a bigger slowdown in consumer spending. Prices will go down. Commodities are going down. I mean, oil is heading in the right direction, but again, I still need 90 to 95 to go ahead and put the position on for energy stocks. For the most part, in terms of the new month, yes, usually first of the month in July, 28 out of the last 30 years, we had a green day. It's a different market now, very choppy. You could see just back and forth, just kind of looking for direction. So again, let's put an alert at 38.40. If we're looking at SPY, really the level I'm looking for is right around 383 or so, actually 384 if you want to go that. And then the support here is right around 372.94. So we'll keep an eye and see where we go. Remember, we only have 4 days of trading next week. It is a short week. So just be careful what you're doing out there. Again, we have the brand new half of the month, brand new month. We have a lot of data coming out. Plus, we have earnings. So it's so important and crucial to watch those earnings. We'll go and leave it there, guys. Have a great rest of your weekend. No afternoon note today. I'll place some news on Instagram if needed be. But again, enjoy your long weekend. We'll catch you guys next week for that. For the morning note, thoughts on Webb's ETF? Let's see it. Last question. Webb's ETF is a 3x bear bull. No, I wouldn't touch that right now. You have possibly more downside. I mean, we talked about us getting to 4,000 and rejecting. We got to 39.50 and rejected. Again, I'm still waiting for 3,500 on the S&P to start really taking a look here, but we're not there yet. So I would hold off on Webb's, Austin. But thanks for the question. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Thank you so much, as always, for your support and your viewing. Hit that like button, as always, and comment any questions on the comments page on our channel. Have a good one, guys.